So today we are going to unbox what YouTube sent us. It's gonna take some time because this is the inside, and then you have a letter from CEO of YouTube. It's a long letter, you can pause and read yourself. Rick, who is responsible for inspecting and packaging. Let's look at the whole thing. Name card. Oh my god. So this thing is wrapped. Wait, there's something else? Let's take this out. Oh my god, it's a mirror. Holes to hang this up. Good. I have nobody to thank but you, because without you subscribing to me, I wouldn't be able to get this. So I want to thank you, thank my team, my family who support me. Thank you to the haters, because without you constantly gossiping about me, without you constantly making false assumptions about me, just after watching 10 videos of mine, 5 videos of mine, and you think you know me after that, thank you for that, because I'm here hustling for my supporters. I let my work do the talking. The courses that I've made on this channel, I don't know how many people have told me that those 3 courses made them profitable. And again, to my supporters, I thank you for staying with me, for being with me, despite the fact that you know that I'm not perfect. Like, on some videos I curse. There are some people who hear a little bit of cursing, then they be like, why can't you be more professional? And fine, please leave if you don't like me, please leave if you don't like the way I am, you feel that I should change myself. There are tons of people who told me to change myself. And if you cannot accept the way I am, my question to you is, why are you still watching? Last year has been really hard for everyone, I agree with that. But this year is a new year. The stupid virus might be here for another 1 year, 2 years, and people still have to stay at home. I understand it's very hard, especially if you're an extrovert. But instead of dwelling about, oh, you know, I need to stay home, why not take this free time to learn a skill that can produce you a consistent income? I don't care what you choose to pursue. You can choose to pursue trading, e-commerce, or something else. It doesn't matter to me. You work on this skill so hard so that by the time this whole entire pandemic shit is over, you will be able to tell your boss, you know what, I am done with you. You and your bullshit. I don't live my life being your freaking slave. One day I'm going to become richer than you. With that, this is my last day. Please accept my resignation. Thank you. I don't care what you choose to do, okay? Make the most out of your time at home. There are friends of mine, because of the lockdown, they have learned how to invest in options, make them tons of money. They have learned how to value invest in stocks. They have started an e-commerce business during the lockdown. And all of them said one thing, is that if this lockdown thing, pandemic thing, didn't happen, I probably wouldn't have picked up this new skill. It is the easy thing to do. To sit on your couch, binge watch Netflix, play games. But my question to you is, what is it going to give you in the long term? Yes, it might feel good right now, but what will it give you in the long term? Because you know what? I have played games for freaking 20 years. I was a game addict, and guess what? All I've gotten is nothing but a high score. Unless you're good at playing games, play games for a living, because there are some people who are just talented in playing games. And I'm not one of those people. When you achieve financial freedom, play all you want. Binge watch all the movies that you want. For now, if you're not financially free yet, then you've got to get to work. You want to learn real stuff? Sometimes it can be boring, but that is what you need to become consistent in the long term. And if you don't have money to buy books, trading courses, this year is fine. Okay? I have a lot of free courses on my YouTube channel. I'll put some in the end screen. Again, thank you so much. I couldn't have done it without you, and I appreciate your support. So with that, talk to you in the next video. Happy 2021. Bye.